Show that 2x plus 7 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14, and hence factorize the given expression completely using the factor theorem. So, okay, we know first thing we have to prove it is a factor. You know how to do that. So it will be 2x plus 7 is 0. So x is equal to minus 7 by 2. So I have to substitute the value of x is minus 7 by 2 in it. So after that, what will happen? See, 2, and what is x? Minus 7 by 2 the whole cube, plus 5 minus 7 by 2 whole square, minus 11 minus 7 by 2, and minus 14. Let's see what happens in it. So I'll put it properly here, it will be useless here. Solve it. So 2, it will be minus 7 the whole cube is how much? If you multiply 7 sevens are 49, and 49 into 7 is how much? 343. So it will be minus 343, and 2 is what, say 8 in it. Okay, I'm directly writing it, plus 5, and this will be plus 49, right, upon 4, minus into minus is plus, 11 7 just 77 by 2, and minus 14 here. Now this 2 and will go 4 times, so we have got minus 343 by 4. Okay, let me write it a bit below, minus 343 by 4 plus 49 into 5 is how much? That is 49 into 5. You will get 245, right? So 245, and it's going to be plus only upon 4, and 77 upon 2 I can write 144, right? 77 if you multiply by 2, sorry, 154. So 154 by 4 I can write, multiplying 2 here, multiplying 2 here, okay? And minus 14. 14 I can write is minus 14 into what? Okay, is 14 means 14 upon 1. I have to multiply by 4 here and multiply by 4 here. So 14 4s are how much? 56 upon 4. Why I did? Because I want to make the denominator same in all of those. So now we have got the denominator same. So what happens after this? So it will be minus 343, okay, plus 245 plus 154 minus 56, okay, upon 4. Now if I solve that further, what do we get? 343 and minus, okay, we got here 343 and the other one 56, add them up, it will become 399, okay? So 399, I can write 399, and that is minus here. From there, if you subtract 245, okay, and then subtract 154 from it, so minus 154, we exactly get 0 in it. So this is also plus 399 upon 4, so that will give you 0 upon 4 is equal to 0. So have I proved that this is a factor of it? Yes. After that, what we will do? So remember, we have proved that 2x plus 7 is a factor of the polynomial, okay? Now we have to divide this. What? We have to divide 2x cube plus 5x square, right, minus 11x minus 14. You have to divide it by what? 2x plus 7 now. Why? If I divide it by this one, I will get a quotient, and since it is a factor, the remainder will come for sure 0. It has come 0. So if you divide it manually, you will get the remainder 0, and whatever the quotient that you will get, that quotient into this divisor will give you this dividend. Remember that part. So let's divide it. So when we divide it, what do we get? 2x into what is 2x cube? So this x square, so it will be 2x cube. X square into 7, it will be plus 7x square. Okay, subtract it, minus, this will also become minus, these two will get cancelled, and 5 minus 7x square is what? Minus 2x square, minus 11x, and minus 14 will come down. Okay, the moment you would line this like this, okay, everything will come down. Then what you should multiply, so that become 2x square minus 2x square, so minus 1 and x, you will get minus 2x square, minus 1 into plus 7 is minus 7x. Okay, so again this is minus, it will become plus, this is minus, it will become plus, it will give you 0 here, and this is 11 minus 7 is how much? 11 plus 7, subtract it, 11 minus 7 is 4, and which is the bigger number? Minus, it will be minus 4x minus 14. Okay, so how to get it? If you multiply this by minus 2, so minus 2 into minus 2x is what? Minus 4x, and minus 2 into minus plus 7 is what? Minus 14. So what do you get? Nothing, 0. Okay, so what do we get now? The quotient is this much. So we know that 2x plus 7, if you multiply with the quotient, which is x square minus 1x, right, or simply minus x minus 2, what I should get? I should get the dividend, which is 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x and minus 14. I should get that. So which means this has been factorized into two parts, this into this, right? Can we further factorize it? Yes, we can factorize this part now by middle term splitting. Okay, so let's do that. It is x square minus x, okay, and minus 2. So what is the first term? 1. What is the last term? Minus 2. So product of the first term and last term is what? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So we get a difference, minus 2. What is the product? Minus 2. It is a minus here. It means the difference of two numbers should be minus 1 in it. Okay, is it clear? So when we factorize 2 in it, what do we get? 2 is 2 into 1. So when we do that, what do we have? So I can write here x square, right, minus 2x and plus 1x. So minus 2x into plus 1x is what? Minus 2, and minus 2x and plus 1x is minus xx, right? And plus, sorry, minus 2 here. Fine. So when we do that, it becomes, we can take the common in these two. What is it? X minus 2 and plus 1 common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 is common in it, and x plus 1 is common in it. So what do we get? We factorize this part. So what do we have? X plus 2 and x minus 2 into x plus 1. So I can write it here. This is same as 2x plus 7, and this can be written as x minus 2 and x plus 1. Okay, and that is equal to what? 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x and minus 14. So which means when we factorize this, we get this one here. What do we get? We get this one. Clear? So this is the way that we have to factorize it. Fine. And I'm putting it here. See, the question was to factorize this, and I have factorized that part. The answer is this one here. So the factorized part of 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14 is 2x plus 7, which we already proved earlier, into x minus 2 into x plus 1, and we got it how? You must have seen that earlier in the question there. Okay, this entire thing.